Hey guys, my name's Taylor. I'm over here at Step One Volkswagen Fort Walton Beach to go over some of the key features on the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta SE. All right, y'all, so what you're looking at here is the best-selling European car in North America. This one comes in the Opal White Pearl. This one features front LED daytime running headlights, and it also has heated side mirrors. All right, so on the interior of this Jetta, you have a full black leatherette interior. This one also comes with an 8-inch touchscreen LED display. Now, this one also has 3 options of your garage door opener, and then it also has a full panoramic sunroof. Thank you guys so much for spending a few minutes here with me today to go over the 2026 Volkswagen Jetta. Come down to Step One Volkswagen Fort Walton for yours today. You know what they say, better get a Jetta.